Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in Manipuri. Ngasi December date 23 Thursday numiki newspaper analyze tobarasi ahan topic CD heated winter session conclude a day early. Winter session torakpado loire November date 29 digi horakpani ado December gi date 22 da loire. Nongma mamangda loire ko and concludes a day early nongma ngas 23 da loigedabane ato 22 da loisaleba sida pass kiba bill mayam do ahan bahe haurakpaga with suspension of 12 opposition member in the Rajya Sabha gi 12 opposition member ahan bada suspend tawi ko haurakpa matamda adugi matungda bill mayam ama pass tawi bill singdudi farm law repeal bill 2021 dam safety bill 2021 assisted reproductive technology regulation bill 2020 sida mayam se lere ko bill 13 se pass tawi sida controversial bill amasu kwai last ta pass taw basina kaino loisan base sigi bill sina loisalaba election laws amendment bill 2021 card ke election card tuga link taw godabani na haibado sigi bill sina loisaleba roibada Gyan tarni ko sida next topic tawrasi Next topic sina United Nations Security Council adopts resolution to ease Afghan assistance Afghan da kai doba United Nations Security Council na so humanity provide to bagi haiba humanity kai no Afghan se Taliban na kaino dagi Afghanistan government dagi Taliban na lahurabaneba adagi human right violation and atopa violation ama mayam tawi aduda kanabagi damakta country me ama mana so Afghanistan na mateng pangnaba kan honayeba humanitarian mateng pangnaba damakta the United Nations Security Council na so mateng pangnaba honay humanitarian based kai indano related to shelter and settlement assistance food security the education the livelihood support and energy water sanitation health including COVID-19 related assistance nutrition si mayam si de help to na boneba United Nations Security Council se kainu yangasi United Nations Security Council GS paper to important international institution global grouping international treaties and agreements si topic mayam se sigamari leinai United Nations Security Council se UN Charter in 1945 se established tawbani si se one of the 6 principal organ of the United Nations form tawba matamda principal organ taru khakna form taweba adugi manungda United Nations Security Council je siso amani United Nations Security Council sina amalere manga duna kari no General Assembly United Nations General Assembly the Trusteeship Council, the Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice and United Nations Secretariat si manga siga and United Nations Security Council se siga pullage United Nations se form tawbaneba Its primary responsibility is to work to maintain the international peace and security. International peace and security da thabak tawba. Internationally peace thamba security internationally security piba. See magi responsibility ni main responsibility se the presidency of the Security Council rotate alphabetically. It's United Nations Security Council gi presidency se kamain tawi tha khudingi rotate taweba alphabetically order da tha khudingi rotate taweba. Magi United Nations Security Council ki role se kaino the most important function of the United Nations Security Council is maintaining peace and security at international level. Ngasai hai gere ko peace and security maintain tawba international level the it takes the lead in determining the existence of the threat to peace and act of aggression matamna mana determine tawraga sida kari tawbe internationally peace kamaina tawgani security kamaina pigani habse mana sigi decision se lawgani ba United Nations Security Council se apart from maintaining peace the Security Council can also deploy United Nations peacekeeping operation and impose sanction on state Peace maintain tawba and security piba tanatana kaidobya United Nations peacekeeping operations se security pina bagi damakta maintain peace se maintain tawna bai damakta mana magi force to United Nations gi peacekeeping operation gi force to ado any mafam amada mana confirm tawraga si mafam sida hoji maintain tawba mathawni security gi darkar ni na haragadi mana adugi decision do lawraga operation se thada bayaba and impose sanction on state sanction tawba yaba haidi सिगी रूल एंड रेगुलेशन से इंदबा मफम लेदना को अदुदा सेंक्शन तौबा याइबा ईरान दा सेंक्शन तौरिबा एंड नॉर्थ अफ्रीका नॉर्थ कोरिया दा सेंक्शन तौरिबा मयाम से सुमाइना माना सेंक्शन तौबा ngamमेबा. The United Nations Security Council can also impose diplomatic relations, severance, financial restriction and penalties, blockade and even collective military action if required. Collective military action mana mathau taragadi piba yai, restriction thamba yai, financial restriction thamba yai mana and penalties piba yai, blockade tauba yai ba. Si mayam se impose tauba yai ba mana United Nations Security Council से सिगी members सिंग से सिगी decision के मतुंगिना United Nations Security Council के members सी कना कना नो there are permanent member and non-permanent members in the United Nations Security Council. Permanent member है नाम लई, non-permanent member है नाम लई बा. A total of 15 members are there in council, out of which 5 are permanent and 10 are non-permanent. सिदा मी पुना members से United Nations Security Council की मित्रा मंगानी member tra mangani member manga amana permanent ni and member tara amana non permanent eba. The 5 permanent members include 5 permanent members to kana no China, France, Russian Federation, Russia, the United Kingdom and the United States America. The first session of the United Nations Council was held in London on 17 January 1947. Ahan by United Nations Security Council se London the 17 January the held of 1947 that the five permanent members are given great power and anonymity refer to the veto power. Sigi matamda ahan ba United Nations Council se London 17 January the held of matamda five permanent members se sida great power and anonymity CP gen veto power CP baneba. Veto power si kaino koi sida member tra mangalai basida member veto power si 5 member da pi baneba 5 permanent members da pi bani 5 permanent members si member ama khaktana kaigum agreement ama sign toba matam na member ama khaktana resolution ama pass tau ge hair ka targadi si member manga se loina mang iya badaka tayaba kaigum ama khakna yadraba yaning den adu targadi mi tara manga si da mi tra mari gi vote phangba taraga su mi masai permanent member gi mi amana vote pi da bataragadi adu gi resolution adu gi agreement do pass tau ba ya deba. Selection of non-permanent member of the Security Council. Non-permanent member of or Security Council se kana no non-permanent member se kamaina select tawi haragdi chahi ani magi tenor se chahi ane ba 2 years term ne United Nations General Council ki vote elected taw bane ba. For haji 2021 the current kana no Estonia, India, Ireland, Kenya, Mexico, Niger, Norway, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Tunisia and Vietnam. 10 permanent member seats are distributed on regional basis. Hojiki 10 permanent members se regional basis ta distribute taw bane kamaina haragadi ekoi China and United Kingdom, USA, France si mayam si kaino ayamane European country oiba and America North America European countries sidagi laeba ekoi Asia gi oiba African oiba ekoi Equator ge southern countries sing se yaudreba si southern countries sing su yauna baida magda ajiki 10 permanent members se si distribute torak paneba southern country regional basis ta toraga kamaina 5 for African and Asian countries, 1 for the Eastern European countries, 2 for the Latin America and Caribbean countries and 2 for the Western European and other countries. Si mayam se gyan tarni ko next topic amuk torasi. Next topic sina India gives 1 million doses to Myanmar. India na 1 million doses piko vaccine do. Isi diam important oi banate. Atopa topic mu yang si. Sum current affair ki type ta adum khangjan gadaba Myanmar da 1 million dose of vaccine pi haina. Next topic sina debate on anti-conversion bill. Anti-conversion bill hoji Karnataka da kana anti-conversion bill se chatna na batawreba government aduda mayamna Karnataka gi pal mayam amana sureli tawreba kana protest tawreba Karnataka gi sigi anti-conversion bill se pass tawba yaroi haina. Anti-conversion bill se kaino yengasi karige pass tawba yaroi habno yengasi. Karnataka draft anti-conversion bill JS paper to government policies and intervention. The Karnataka government has prepared an anti-conversion bill which seems to be modeled after a similar law introduced by the state of उत्तर प्रदेश कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट एंटी कन्वर्जन बिल से इंट्रोड्यूस तवे सिगी एंटी कन्वर्जन बिल से उत्तर प्रदेश तसु इंट्रोड्यूस तवी एंड गुजरात तसु इंट्रोड्यूस तवी मध्य प्रदेश तसु इंट्रोड्यूस तवेबा सिगी बिल से अखोगी कनागुंबा मबु मी अमबु कन्वर्ट तौहनबा अतोपगी धर्म अमदगी धर्म अमदा कन्वर्ट तौरबा फ्रॉडुलेंट मेथड ना फ्रॉडुलेंट मीन्स और बाय मैरिज ना अदु एतारगदी सिगी बिल से सिजनरगा पेनलाइज पनिशमेंट पीनी हाइबनेबा बिल सिदा हाइरिसे कई कईनो any person found guilty kanagumba kai guilty phangaba unlawful converting tawrama matamda mi amabu dharma onthomba taragadi unlawful converting tawrama taragadi minimum magi jail ge term se kyano 3 chahi ahum dagina chahi manga phawba minimum oiragani and magi aduga punna 25000 amaga fine tinganeba next sina any person unlawful converted तौरमबा मी अमबु unlawful converted तौरमबा मी दो कईगुमा minor नत्रगने woman ओइरमबा schedule caste नत्रगा schedule tribe दगी belong तौरम मी ओइतारगदी अदुगी मी ओंथोइबा मी दो accused टुबु चाही अहुम दगिना चाही 10 फावबा imprisonment ओइगनी and 50000 अमगा fine लौगनेबा next ina in case of mass conversion aduga mass conversion oib taragadi pula mass conversion aragadi amukta mi mayam ama punna converse tawba taragadi chahi ahum dagina chahi 10 phawba mabu prison thamgani and fine na 1 lakh loganeba an appropriate court will order the accused person to pay compensation to the victim of conversion and this amount can go 5 lakh aduga kaigumba sigi court na hairakane magi victim of conversion sigi mi sida converse tawgiba mi sida haziki accused person duna kyam paisa pi ne je paisa pi ba se 5 lakh phabu oiba yaiba and must be paid by the accused over and above the fine and under the law gi matungina accused to na paisa do pi gadabaneba fine do in case of someone want to convert to another religion voluntarily there is a lengthy process in place and this applies to interfaith marriage too aduga kanagumba magi convert over masana voluntarily convert over pamaba religion amadagi amada adoi taragadi magi process yam lengdi o heleba sigi maramna neba aikoge oning matamda on mataraga su sigi process se lengdi o heli sidagi thorakadaba aikoge problem mayam do conflict mayam do adugi maramna aikoge Karnataka people mayam sina protest tawbaneba gyan tarni ko next topic amuk tawrasi next topic sina trouble waters more efforts should be made to win away fishermen from trawlers. Fishermen mayam ama hojik 68 Tamil Nadu fishermen Sri Lanka da authorities Sri Lanka da fire do adugi kaino neba adugi problem duni sida haire se Sri Lanka da 68 Tamil Nadu gi fishermen mayam ama phajala thamame ba Sri Lanka gi international territories boundaries to lanthoga nga phabagi nga pharambagi damakta Sri Lanka gi koi gi navy force na phabane ba the Sri Lanka fishermen conflict to kaino yangasi fishermen issue between India and Sri Lanka GS paper 2 India and its neighborhood sigamari lainai both India and Sri Lanka fishermen have been fishing into Park Bay area for centuries tagi ekoi Park Bay se India gi ga Sri Lanka gi ga marakta lai sige Park Bay sida fishermen mayam ama nga phaba chaleba centuries tagi hana degi problem se karam kande haurak pano haidi maritime agreement se sign tawba 1974 da Sri Lanka and India na adagi haurak paneba maritime agreement se da fishing da adu yamne effect tawram de fishing se sum chatlame ba adu da yam effect tawba leram de ba 1976 da agreement ama su tawna ke ba Sri Lanka ga ai India ge government siga Sri Lanka gi agree tawna kheba magi country da international boundaries gi lanjana da bi da fishing se tawna roi India na India gi boundary da sum fishing tawna ba dagi Sri Lanka da tawna ba haina the agreement could not stop but sigi agreement sigi matung da su fishermen sing se sibu stop to bangam de ba khamba thing mangam da ngai amana su pangpha phane ba sida phari je yambana nga phabal chali je Sri Lanka gi India rom da yam lakte ba India gi na Sri Lanka rom da chatpa sina masing yami they knowingly or unknowingly often violate the international maritime boundary se khangna kaithok pas yawi khangdana sum changi basu yawi maram di India gi ga Sri Lanka gi border se well defined taude aduna despite the signing of maritime boundary agreement fishermen communities of both the countries continue they are fishing in the Park Bay area peacefully until the Elam War broke out in 1983. 1983 the Elam War aina war ama thoki LTTE community siga and Sri Lanka gi government siga sigi matung dane amukhena problem lai se Sri Lanka and Sri Lanka gi border da nga phaba chatpa kanda amukhena problem lai se sidane ba sigi Elam War se 2009 de loi Sri Lanka fishermen de si 2009 se war ge matung da di ke da economic se down oi bani na thabak thara lai ta bani na Sri Lanka people mayam ji jo fishing to matam fishing om da changchale ba si fishing om changchalak pa matam da India gi fishermen mayam ama boundary lalaga pharak padu da objection lak pane ba Sri Lanka people da ge reason threatening the livelihood of fishermen in the north of Sri Lanka who have just commenced fishing after the end of the war 2009. Thus the main problem is a large number of Indian fishermen are dependent on fishing in Sri Lankan waters, which is prohibited by the 1976 Maritime Boundary Agreement. 1976 की Maritime Boundary Agreement matung da su Indian fishermen myam ama nga phayaba. A large number of Indian fishermen are dependent on trolling, which is banned in Sri Lanka. Trolling method se si taraga sizinaraga nga phayaba. Trolling se ke dari koi Sri Lanka da di thingeba maram de trolling sina koi gi resources myam ama manghan ba water gi aduna neba. Why do Indian fishermen often run into problem with the Sri Lankan authorities in Indian Ocean? Kaigino haidi there is no well defined boundary line between the two nation and indugi marakta boundary line phajana leitaba. Territorial waters overlap in some areas. In Park Bay region, distance between the coast of the two countries varied between 16 and 45 km. Overlap oisanba kaigino haidi Sri Lanka na chu sigi lamse ekhoi gi ni haiba India na chu sigi mache se ekhoi gi ni haiba aduna overlap oisanba sina su mage issue se oibane issue se thokpane ba. LTT issues have raised vigilance. LTT issues se kai sigi war Elam War se 2009 de loikre 2009 sida LTT kedar se community se thoke bane ba Sri Lanka dagi aduna sigi amuk lan se haurakta bahaina Sri Lanka na boundary sida section tharang myam ama lakhuleba sigi Tamil refugee sing se India dagi laktana bahaina India da chen dana ba India da laktana bahaina aduna tawbane ba sigi problem se. The main complaint of the Sri Lankan fishermen has been against Indian mechanized trawler ngasai trawler season amado adu su main problem amane main complaint amane ba Sri Lankan fishermen singna maram di marine resources and seabed to myam damage oiba severely damage oiba trawling sina. Most of the trawlers from Tamil Nadu are owned by merchant. Tamil Nadu na or ekhoi trawlers me amama seasonary se kanagi no haridi fishermen sing dugi na teba merchants, capitalists and non-fishing and other social background communities sing sigine ba seasonary ba trawlers sing do. Step taken by the government na kai step la khol haragadi the census of the census of fishermen ni census to fishermen to fishermen camp sui and fishermen sing the seasonary ba board to kai no fishermen sing the seasonary do nga phabada kari methano adugumba do census to Indian Coast Guard has been begun installing tracking device aduga fishermen sing the seasonary ba board sida Indian gi Coast Guard sina kai do ba fishing tracking device hapa. Tracking device se kanana develop tawno ISRO na Indian Space Research Organization sina develop tawbane. The tracking device has the ability to send out alert. Tracking device se alert send tawba yai ba tracking device sina boat ta fire to giba matamda alert send tawrakani sinking boat to loop kiba matamda alert tawrakani medical emergency oiba matamda and boat is apprehended by another country atopa country da changi matam da su board sina alert send tawba ngamgane ba gyan tarni ko matang sida gi video solution jarage agi video sina mayam da kana ba khajik tang pirabade agi video sibu support to boina like subscribe and share to view. Thank you.